I can guarantee this keyboard is way better than yours.
I can guarantee your keyboard is not better than mine because I don't use a keyboard. Instead, I use this weird thing that has 3-dimensional switches rather than 1-dimensional switches and can also output entire words whenever I press lots of letters at the same time. I can also guarantee your keyboard would be better with CharaChorder X or CharaChorder Engine. And CharaChorder X is this Kickstarter we just launched. It is a USB dongle where you plug any keyboard into the female end and it gives it chording capabilities similar to a CharaChorder Lite. And CharaChorder Engine is a chip module which you can design into the circuit board of any text entry device to give it intelligent chording capabilities as well. Thanks for the question.